2 decades, smartphones have controlled our lives. We wake up and check them. We work through them. We communicate, shop, travel, learn, and entertain ourselves through a small glowing screen we carry everywhere. But here's the question nobody is asking enough. What if the smartphone era is coming to an end? It sounds impossible. After all, billions of people depend on smartphones every single day. But history shows something important about technology. Every revolutionary device eventually gets replaced. CD players disappeared. MP3 players vanished. Digital cameras were absorbed into phones. Even desktop computers slowly gave way to laptops and tablets. And now, for the first time in years, major technology companies are quietly preparing for what comes after the smartphone. The next revolution may not fit in your pocket. It may sit in front of your eyes, or listen from your ears, or even interact directly with your environment using artificial intelligence. The future of technology is becoming invisible, and that changes everything. Right now, companies like Apple, Meta, and others are investing billions into wearable technology, augmented reality, and AI-powered devices. Why? Because smartphones have reached a limit. Think about it. Modern phones are already incredibly powerful. Cameras improve slightly every year. Processors become faster. Screens become brighter. But the experience itself hasn't fundamentally changed in a long time. People are no longer amazed by smartphones the way they once were. The next leap has to feel different. And many experts believe that leap is wearable computing. Imagine walking down a street while directions appear naturally in front of your eyes. Imagine answering messages without touching a screen. Imagine real-time language translation during conversations. Imagine AI helping you instantly throughout your day without needing to open an app. This is the vision behind smart glasses and AI-powered wearable devices. Instead of pulling technology out of your pocket, technology simply becomes part of your environment. That may sound futuristic, but the transition has already started. Smartwatches were only the beginning. Wireless earbuds became normal almost overnight. Voice assistants enter homes around the world. Now the next stage is devices that blend digital information directly into daily life. And this shift could completely transform how humans interact with technology. But there's another reason smartphones may eventually disappear. Artificial intelligence. AI is changing how we search for information, communicate, and complete tasks. Today, people manually open apps. Tomorrow, AI may simply do tasks automatically. Instead of typing, searching, and navigating through screens, future systems may understand what you need instantly. That means screens themselves could become less important. Think about how much time people spend staring at phones every day. Hours of scrolling, notifications, constant distractions. Technology companies know this creates fatigue. The next generation of devices aims to reduce friction and make digital interaction feel more natural. That's why companies are racing toward augmented reality and spatial computing. The goal is simple: make technology feel invisible. Some future devices may project digital interfaces directly into your field of vision. Others may rely heavily on voice and AI interaction. And eventually, devices could become so small and seamless that carrying a phone feels outdated. But replacing smartphones won't happen overnight. There are still major challenges. Battery life remains a huge issue for wearable technology. People also care deeply about privacy. A device that constantly sees, hears, and understands your environment raises serious concerns. Will companies collect even more personal data? Will people feel comfortable wearing always connected devices in public? And then there's the biggest challenge of all: human behavior. People are emotionally attached to smartphones. They're familiar, comfortable, reliable. Changing that behavior takes time. Even groundbreaking technology can fail if it feels awkward or unnecessary. That's why companies are moving carefully. They know the